Hello guys and a warm welcome to Daily Current Affairs of the Day, and today we are going to discuss about 17 May 2021 current affairs. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 17 ಮೇ ಡೈಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಾರ್ ದೋಸ್ who can not understand Kannada, though they can understand in English. So I am teaching in English and Kannada as well. So let's go to the current affairs, and once again a warm welcome to one and all. Please do make a note of it, guys. This is most important for those who preparing for government jobs like railway, SSC, RRB, RBI, banking examination. This all examination need this general awareness. So this is most important for all those who preparing for government job. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. It will be there for all those, daily will be available. So please do make sure of it, guys. Subscribe to my channel and like the bell icon. So once again a warm welcome to one and all. So let's go to the first question. So what all we do, ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ next class. So and then important general awareness. So this is the first class. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಎ 1 week of time, so I will clear all your doubts. And the first question, let's go to the first question of the day, guys. uh, Aerospace startup Axiom and who has announced the first private astronaut mission to the International Space Station? Options are: is it ISRO or ESA, SpaceX or NASA? So, aerospace startup Axiom and who has announced the first private astronaut mission? So, in the International Space Station. So, the answer NASA. So, I think you all know about this NASA, which is located in America. So ISRO is related to Indian Space Research Organization. So for this question, answer would be NASA. So ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ in detail ಆಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. So explanation would be: NASA and aerospace startup Axiom have recently announced the first private astronaut mission, guys, and the International Space Station by January 2022. So NASA and in collaboration with this aerospace startup Axiom have recently announced this private astronaut mission to the International Space Station in the year 2022. So they are planning to start this mission, guys, and in which, in order to send 4 people to the uh, space, so they are planning to send 4 human beings, 4 ಜನ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋಕೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಾಟ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ದ AX-1 ಮಿಷನ್. AX-1 ಮಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್, ಗೈಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. So let's go to the next question. Is that NHPC Limited has provided cold chain equipment to which state government under corporate social responsibility? So the options are: Government of Gujarat, Government of Maharashtra, Delhi government, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. So the answer would be Government of Arunachal Pradesh. So basically the NHPC Limited has provided cold chain equipment to which state government under corporate resolution. So let us discuss about this. So basically NHPC Limited, NHPC full form means what? National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. So National Hydroelectric Power Corporation Limited has provided the cold chain equipment to which state, guys? So the answer would be Arunachal Pradesh. So you may see Arunachal Pradesh near here. So let us discuss about this, guys. So the explanation would be: NHPC, National Hydroelectric Power Corporation Limited's 2880 megawatt Dibang multipurpose project has recently provided a cold chain equipment for a COVID-19 vaccination to the government of Arunachal Pradesh under the corporate social responsibility. So they basically they have provided this a 2880 megawatt Dibang multipurpose the thing so that they can store this COVID-19 vaccination under cold condition. So also 25 ice lined refrigerators have been transferred to the government. So the basic thing is that National Hydroelectric Power Corporation Limited has provided this 282,880 megawatt Dibang multipurposes uses cold chain equipment for COVID-19 vaccination. Do remember this. That's all for the day. So let's go to the next question is that which of the following IIT, I think you know about this IIT institute, has recently developed an environmentally friendly cremation cart. So IIT Delhi is there, IIT Roorkee, IIT uh, Roorkee, IIT Chennai, IIT Chennai, Ropur, and the answer would be IIT Ropur. So basically, what means? Let's discuss about this, guys. Indian Institute of Technology (IIT Ropur) Institute has recently developed an environmentally friendly cremation means. So due to this COVID situations, more people are dying now. For that purpose, these IIT people have been invented this newly environmental friendly cremation cart that works on the principle of wick stove. Wick stove, it is equipped with stainless steel insulation tray. So we can use this for cremation. So basically ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣ ಜನರು ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಟಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ. So let's go to the next question is that which Indian origin expert has recently been awarded the 2021 World Food Prize? Dr. Shakuntala Harak Singh Tilstad, Dr. Sushma Singh Tilstad, Dr. Sanjita Simat Istar, Dr. Sangeeta Bajwa. So the answer would be Dr. Shakuntala Harak Singh Tilstad is the answer for this. The Indian origin expert has recently awarded as the 2021 World Food Prize. So she is the one who has got the World Food Prize 2021. So the explanation would be she's from the India. She's an Indian origin and her name is Shakuntala Harak Singh Tilstad has recently awarded the 2021 Food Prize has developed a nutrition. So why she has got this award? Because she has developed a nutrition sensitive approach to aquaculture and food system. So she has developed a nutrition sensitive approach to this food system, aquaculture on small native species like for the fish is so basically she research on fishes, guys. Aquaculture, I think you know all about this. So uh, uh, this Shakuntala Harak Singh is the basically Indian origin ಅವರು. So she got a 2021 World Food Prize Award and ಎಂತಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ for the nutrition sensitive approach to this aquaculture ಮತ್ತೆ food system. So basically she research on this fish aquaculture. So let's go to the next question, guys. Which agency limited has been awarded the Green Energy Award by Indian Chamber of Commerce? So which agency limited has got this award? Green Energy Award ಯಾವ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬೈ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇರ್ಡಾ, BCCI ಇದೆ, ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ, IRDA ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೂ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ IRDA. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ two options. So answer would be IRDA. So the explanation would be IRDA full form ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? IRDA IREDA, sorry guys, and the Indian Chamber of Commerce has awarded the Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, IRDA full form Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, the Green Energy Award for being the leading public institution as financing institution for renewable energy. IRDA has disbursed rupees 8,827 crore to the second highest amount of loan in year 2021. So Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, IRDA, has been selected for the award, Green Energy Award, because it has been providing a financing institution for this renewable energy, about 8,827 crore rupees, and it is second highest amount of loan in the year during this year 2020-21. So IDA has got green energy award, guys. Do remember this. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. Please to share and subscribe, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.